children, I hope all are well at home. Now I welcome to all in this video science class. Today we are discussing about the types of plant. What is the types of plant? Plant has many parts. Plant has many parts like root, stem, branch, leaves, bud, flower, fruit. Again, root, stem, branch, leaves, bud, flower, fruit. Yeah, we need the food to live and grow, no? The same like this, the plants also need the food to live and grow. How can the plant prepare the food? How can the plant prepare the food? Leaves only prepare the food for the plant. Leaves only prepare the food for the plant. So, leaves are called food factory of the plant. Leaves are called food factory of the plant. We see the many plants around us, no? We are seeing the many plants around us. At the same time, we are growing the plant in our school, in our house, park, some many areas. At the same time, we are getting many things from the plants. We are getting many things from the plants. Plants are very useful to us. Let us here start about the types of plants. The types of plants classify the basis of their size, basis of the phase of growth, lifespan, that like. So, now let me start with types of plant, basis of their size. Types of plant, basis of their size. The basis of the size, the plant is classified into 5 types. How many types? 5 types. The first one is tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper. Again, tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper. Now read with the spelling. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. S-H-R-U-B, shrub. S-H-R-U-B, shrub. H-E-R-B, herb. H-E-R-B, herb. Climber, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. The last one is creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. Now start with tree. Tree has the biggest one. Yes, the tree has the long stem. It's supporting the branch, leaf, flower, fruit. Yeah, the long stem is another name is called trunk. Elephant having trunk, no? That like the tree having have the stem also. The trees also have trunk. Trees also have trunk. The tree lives long years. The tree can live long years. Example of the trees: neem tree, lemon tree, coconut tree, banyan tree, banana tree, that like. So we are moving to the next shrub. Shrub is fully distinctly different from the tree due to the stem, thick, thin brown stem, that like. At the same time, the shrubs live few years only. The shrub can live few years only. For the example of the shrub is hibiscus, brinjal. This is hibiscus. This is brinjal. These kinds of plants are called shrub. So another one is small shrubs are called bushes. What is that? Bushes. For the example of bushes is jasmine. Next is strawberry plant. That kind of plants are called bushes. Now we are moved to the herbs. Herbs have very soft and green stems. Herbs have very soft and green stem. It is useful to food flavors, medicines, perfumes, that kind. Now, example of the it can live few months only. Herbs can live few months only. Example of the herbs is coriander, mint, spinach, that like. The example of the herb is coriander, mint, spinach, that like. We are seeing the grass in the garden, no? That grasses can grow up to 30 meters high in the thickest forest. I am asking one question, dears. Which is the fastest growing plant in the world? Again my question. Which is the fastest growing plant in the world? Yes, bamboo. Bamboo plant is the fastest growing plant in the world. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. Now we are moved to the climber. The coming topics are climber and creepers. Both can have very weak stem only, and also it have tender and green stem. Tender and green stem. The climber and creeper cannot grow without any other support. But the climber can grow straight with the help of stick, wall. It can climb on poles also. So that like the example of the peas can grow, so climb on the stick. At the same time, another plant, the climbers can climb on the another tree also. Example of the climber is peas, bitter gourd, grapevine. This kind of plants are under on the climber. Now we are moved to the creeper. What is that? Creeper. It can creep along the ground. The climber can creep along the ground. Example of the creeper is bottle gourd. You know the bottle gourd, you know. This is, what is this? This is bottle gourd plant. It can creep along the ground only. Next, watermelon, bottle gourd, muskmelon, pumpkin. These kind of plants comes under on the creeper. Still now we are discussing about the types of plant, basis of their size. Again, I recall these topics: tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper. Let's start with the types of plant, basis of the place of grow. Types of plants, basis of the place of grow. We can see the plants in different areas. Yes, the plants are growing in different areas. Based on the places of grow, it can classify into 3 types. How many types? 3 types. The first one is terrestrial. What is that? Terrestrial, aquatic, desert. Again, terrestrial, aquatic, desert. What is terrestrial? Which plants lives on land. That kind of plants are called terrestrial plant. Again, which plants lives on the land. That kind of plants are called terrestrial plant. For the example of the terrestrial plants, we are seeing many terrestrial plants in our world, like banyan, our banana, hibiscus, grass. Even grass also the terrestrial plant. Now we are moving to the aquatic plant. Aqua. What is aqua? What is aqua? Yeah, aqua means water. Aqua means water. Which kind of plant lives on water? Which kind of plants live on water? That kind of plants are called aquatic water. Aquatic plant. That kind of plants are called aquatic plant. Again, which kind of plants live in water? That kind of plants are called aquatic plant. For the example of the aquatic plant is lotus, lily. Yeah, it's a very nice flower, no? Yes, lotus, lily, all are aquatic plant. Next, there's a last topic is desert. What is that? Desert. You know the desert, no? Yes, the desert is full of soil, no? In this area, some plants are growing. That kind of plants are called desert plant. Which plants are lives on the desert? That kind of plants are called desert plant. What is that? Desert plant. For the example of the desert plant is cactus, prickly pears. This kind of plants are called desert plant. I hope I understood this topic. it is my request, kindly go through the terms tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper, and also terrestrial, aquatic, desert. Again, the terms are very important here. Tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper, and also terrestrial, aquatic, desert. It is my kind request. Kindly go through the topics by your books. Those you are having your books, go through the topics by your books. Otherwise, you are not having book, use this link. If you face any difficulty or any problem, feel free and ask your doubts. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.